Welcome along, fellow time travelers and strange historians and members of the Friar Park fan club. This time around, we're going to check out some brand new photos of the Topiary garden at Friar Park. That was once owned by musician George Harrison and is now owned by his estate. You're going to see some really cool snaps, some of which you may have never seen before. Before I begin, please like and share the show and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Now please join me around the campfire. My goodness, it is a rare occasion indeed when contemporary photos of Friar Park come to light. Thankfully, Friar Park's Topiary garden was featured in the December 2023 edition of Country Life. If you have not yet read it, please go ahead and do so. It is a great publication. You could also go to my Beatles People channel and listen to me read it. So if you want to hear that, please click on the link below. As you may know, Friar Park is located in Henley-on-Thames, Oxfordshire in the United Kingdom. The gardens have always been known for their unique history and design. Friar Park was originally owned by a genius named Sir Frank Crisp. He was a lawyer, and some people consider him to be eccentric, but that word's kind of overused. He basically was a guy who just had a lot of really cool interests, and he purchased the property in the late 19th century. Among other things, Sir Frank Crisp was a passionate horticulturalist, and he transformed the landscape of Friar Park into an enchanting garden with various features, including extensive topiary displays. As you know, topiary involves the art of shaping and sculpting living plants, usually shrubs and trees, into decorative forms. The topiary garden at Friar Park is strange, and that's why we love it. It features elaborate and whimsical designs, including animals and geometric shapes and intricate patterns. The gardens originally reflected Sir Frank's love for nature and his desire to create a visually stunning and playful environment, and to display a topiary garden for those who had never seen one. In 1970, Friar Park gained new ownership when it was purchased by George Harrison, who, as you know, is the lead guitarist of the Beatles. It was George Harrison and his first wife, Patty Boyd, and then second wife, Olivia, who embraced Sir Frank's vision for the garden and continued to maintain and expand the topiary displays. Over the course of time, the Harrisons added their own touches to the gardens, creating a blend of Sir Frank's original designs and their own artistic and horticultural contributions. The topiary garden at Friar Park has become a famous landmark that unfortunately no one can see or experience except those in George Harrison's family, close friends, and of course the staff at Friar Park, because it is, as of the time that's recording, a private residence. Nonetheless, the topiary garden, as well as the gardens themselves, are closely and forever associated with George Harrison's legacy, and it remains a testament to the artistic and horticultural vision of both Sir Frank Crisp and the Harrisons, showcasing a unique blend of creativity and natural beauty on the grounds of this historic estate. So, what do you think of Friar Park and its topiary garden? If you were rolling in dough, would you like to have your own topiary garden? You know I would. By the way, all the photos that I have shown come from Country Life, but I do not know the name of the photographer. So if you do, will you kindly let me know so I can respectfully give him or her the credit they deserve. Kindly remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because there will be more shows like this one, and I hope you check those out too. Please check out the links below to learn how to support my research and productions. Specifically, I'd really appreciate it if you could become a member of this channel and or join me on Patreon. You could also leave a super thanks in the comments below. Kindly be kind to all non-human animals and please don't eat them. They don't like that. Remember, for the benefit of compassion for all living things and their own health, all of the Beatles, especially George Harrison, chose a plant-based diet. And please do yourself a favor and go to a local shelter and adopt a cat or a dog or both. You and they will be very glad that you did. Until next time, I wish you safe travels on all your journeys.